Guys, we are starting to see some green in the market, including Dogecoin. We're also going to talk about Robinhood wallets and how a specific crypto analyst is actually expecting Bitcoin to hit $250,000 just this year. Guys, we're going to be discussing those things, and I'm going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button. Guys, an article came out titled, "Bitcoin Heavy Breakout, Fractal Suggests Bitcoin price can hit $250,000 to $300,000 just in 2021. The analogy appeared in anticipation that Bitcoin could post a 2017-like bull run, in which the price rose more than 1,900%. Guys, because Dogecoin always outperforms Bitcoin, what are we going to see once it does hit these prices? Guys, we could easily see Dogecoin at $2, $2.50, or even $3 when this happens. Guys, this would be amazing, and it would cause the rest of the cryptocurrency market to move up along with Bitcoin. Guys, the reason this guy predicts this is because he's analyzed a lot of different bull runs over cryptocurrency history. He measures this based on Bitcoin halving events, which means that every 4 years, the supply of Bitcoin through mining is cut in half. Guys, this is always a very bullish event and sends the prices up very, very high. Guys, the huge companies, countries, whales, banks out there, guys, the biggest people with the biggest money, their focus has always been on Bitcoin, and it still is Bitcoin. Therefore, that's why the rest of the crypto market moves with Bitcoin. Guys, 8 years ago, Bitcoin was at a couple $100. 4 years ago, it was at around 3,000. And now, guys, just earlier this year, it was at 60,000. What does that mean for later in the year when we have our halving event again? Guys, we could very easily see these numbers that he's predicting. I personally think that will at least hit $150,000. I'm not sure about the $250,000 mark. However, he could very well be accurate. Guys, as I've been discussing, there's a huge supply shock. A drop in Bitcoin on the exchanges, which means that they're putting it in cold storage. The big whales are putting it in there because they know that they have confidence in the future of Bitcoin, and they're not ready to trade it anytime soon. Guys, we're getting ready for a whole new bull run in October. Like I said, historically, October, November, December are very bullish months. Guys, before this bull run, you want to get in. You want to get in before this mass adoption couples along with the supply shock, because guys, when that happens, the combination is going to be very powerful, and it may be hard to buy in at that point. You never want to buy in on the uptrend. You want to buy in on the dips when I call them out. When I see that the dips are steep enough on the charts, that's when I buy in, and I let you guys know about that. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeple link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that and send that straight to your bank account or buy cryptos with it. And guys, when this happens, expect to see Dogecoin do something similar for when it went from 14 cents all the way up to 72 cents in less than 1 month. Guys, this happened, and it could very well happen again here very soon. Guys, the CEO of Robinhood, Vlad, actually tweeted out, and he said, "What's one product feature you'd like to see in our wallets?" He also posts a GIF of a wallet. Guys, this means that they are going to announce the wallets here very soon being released on Robinhood. This is going to be huge and allow for much more massive mainstream adoption. Because guys, for people to actually have wallets, crypto wallets that they can use in everyday shopping, in everyday mom and pop shops, corporations, companies, guys, this is going to be huge, and you want to get in before this happens. Another article just came out titled, Robinhood Testing Crypto Wallet, Cryptocurrency Transfer Features. Bloomberg reports that they are now testing this wallet, which would allow Robinhood users to send and receive cryptos virtually seamlessly. The beta app on the Apple App Store is now showing these features. Guys, a few months ago, people asked Vlad if he's going to be working on a wallet, and he confirmed it. There's even a waiting list for users that are ready to use the wallet. Guys, this will inevitably allow for more mass adoption, for more people to buy into cryptos because it will have a much wider use case. Guys, Dogecoin has actually had limits on how much Dogecoin and other cryptos you could buy at once. Guys, these limits kept the prices from going higher, but now, with the wallet, these limits are going to be removed. Guys, this unlimited buying power, coupled up with the fact that you can literally send cryptos from any exchange on over to your Robinhood wallet at this point, will allow for a lot more money to be poured into crypto and Dogecoin. Guys, the number one crypto that's being purchased on Robinhood is Dogecoin, so this will inevitably directly affect Dogecoin in a very positive way. Guys, you want to get in before this release of the Robinhood wallets. Guys, there's a good bit of fear in the marketplace right now on the Fear and Greed Index, and this tells us why we've seen red for so many days. The whales buying out. Guys, you want to swim with the whales. You want to buy at these dips. It's oftentimes too late when you buy on the uptrend, and that's why you want to wait for the dips. Have patience. Don't have paper hands and sell. Always have diamond hand. Always wait until the perfect time. Guys, when we have fear at the levels that we have them right now, we generally have a huge bounce. So get ready for that. We should have a huge bounce here to the upside very, very soon. Guys, Plan B on Twitter tweeted out, and he said, in June I sketched the rough path of how Bitcoin could go towards its S2F target of 100,000 in December. And I am just confirming that we are still on this path. Guys, with his stock to flow charts, he has been very accurate in the past, and that's why I follow him so closely. Guys, in the stock market, I'm seeing some of the top stocks, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, actually forming a reverse head and shoulders. This means it is about to have a bounce to the upside very, very soon. And when this happens, the crypto market should also recover as well. Guys, Bitcoin is testing its level of resistance at $44,000 right now. Ethereum at $3,000. And guys, as those cryptos go up, the rest of the crypto market will follow up along with them. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we also see a head and shoulders pattern form, a reverse head and shoulders that is. We had our head right here, a shoulder, and a shoulder, and of course we had a bounce to the upside just thereafter, just like I predicted. We were able to sell at the top, and now we're coming down again. We were able to sell at the top, and now we had a red candlestick, which was going down a little bit, and now we're headed right back up from there. Guys, expect to see some high numbers here very, very soon. So you want to wait for the dip when I call it out on my Patreon. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeb link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.